Vapi AI transform your outbound calling with intelligent automation. Begin by logging into your Vapi AI account. From there, choose the campaign you intend to utilize, navigate to the central dashboard, and select either Create Campaign or Edit Existing Campaign. This step will direct you to the campaign setup or modification screen. Now, focus on adding your contacts, upload existing lists using various formats, or integrate with your CRM. Depending on your Vapi AI plan, designate the column containing phone numbers, as well as any other essential information for your campaign, then continue. Time to build your call flow. Design the interaction using the drag-and-drop interface. This process handles what transpires when a call is connected, such as playing a pre-recorded message or transferring callers to a live agent. Configure actions for voicemails, such as leaving a tailored message. Set the calling schedule and dial settings for your campaign, including concurrent calls and caller ID options. Review everything, and then launch your campaign by pressing Start Campaign. Take note of the specific scheduling options available for outbound calls. Observe the automatic process. Vapi AI will begin calling your contacts based on your established workflow. Review the campaign's progression through data analytics in the built-in dashboard. Monitor key metrics, including call connection rate, conversations, and resulting actions.